Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Facebook catalog in Shopify. Open your Shopify admin and add the Facebook sales channel to begin connecting your products. Next, link your Facebook Business Manager, page, and ad account so Shopify can sync listings. Make sure your product data meets Facebook commerce requirements and has clear titles, descriptions, prices, and images to avoid review delays. To prepare your catalog, tidy product titles and descriptions, and upload crisp images that represent the items. Check prices, availability, and shipping settings for each product to avoid listing rejections. Group related items into collections and use consistent SKUs so Shopify and Facebook match products reliably. This makes future updates easier and keeps your catalog clean for campaigns and shopping checkout experiences. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it easy to keep your workspace tidy while you manage catalogs, and it even laughs at dust. Check the description for the link and other deals, and for now, let's get back to the video. After linking, enable automatic syncing so Shopify updates reflect in your Facebook catalog without manual steps. Monitor Commerce Manager for any item errors and address issues such as image size, disallowed content, or missing fields. If items fail review, correct the flagged fields and resubmit. Finally, perform a test purchase or preview listings to confirm that product pages, prices, and checkout paths work smoothly across platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.